Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share this small little Dollarama haul that I have. I bought these flowers. I did see them, I think it was in a swap that I got from Lynn, these flowers here, and I hadn't seen them before. So this is new to me, and they're paper flowers, and they have gold around the trim of them, or around the rim of the flower, of the petals. And then I got it in the ivory color. And then I got it in this beautiful color here. I don't even know, mauve? I don't even know if that's mauve. I'm not sure what that color is called, but it's beautiful. So I got those, and $1.25 each. Add that to my embellishments. I had mentioned before, I loved buying this tool from Dollarama, and it is 4.5 inches wide by 8.2 feet long. So you get, quite a bit for $1.25. And I couldn't find any of the green, and I really love this color green in the tool. So I found one, so I picked that up. I found this chunky glitter fabric. It was $2, and it's 12 inches by 36 inches. And it is like a glitter paper, but it's more fabric. So I thought I could probably use that, and the glitter doesn't come off or anything. I'm not noticing it. So I thought I would give that a try in the craft room. I'm sure you can use it for other things, and so I thought I would give that a try. And the last, well, not the last, but the new thing that I've seen are these here, and they're craft stickers, and but these ones are new, and this one is the silver package, so it's that. You have the letters, and then you have some different sayings on it. And so I think it's 3 pages of different sayings, and then you have a whole bunch of tiny little ones. And have been loving working with the sayings and that. And then on the back page here, it has more of the lettering. So I got a few of those in silver, and then I got a few of them in gold. And the gold is the exact same sayings and everything in it that I've noticed. Let me just double check there. Yep, the exact same sayings. So I thought they were super cute. You can add them to cards and everything. I just thought they were adorable. So I picked up several of those. And the last little things I bought were just personal items. Of course, I love this Mentos gum. I don't know if you guys have tried this, but the spearmint for me is the best kind. My husband likes the mint, but I really love the spearmint. We put them in the car and in my desk at my office and that. So that, and of course you guys know I had to pick up another package of I guess it's Reasons. I still don't know how to pronounce it, but it's my favorite candy. Favorite candy. So, and I bought a package of that. But that's all I have for this small haul. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.